Finished my devotion and made some food for today, and yeah, I'm gonna do Pilates today. I am just so tired, like I am genuinely so tired. I'm just gonna be chilling in for like the next 15 minutes before I have to continue getting ready. Oh, waking up so early in the mornings, as much as I'm used to, I do it every day, it's still like it's not second nature to me. I got used to it, but I'm so tired and like I dread it. Like last week tested me, because at home at this time it's so bright, but at Cape Town it's so dark. So like it's testing me. I'm like, I should be in bed if it's this dark. You know what I mean? At home, I mean, it still tests me, but like it's bright. So I'm just chilling and just checking any YouTube updates for the 15 minutes. Oh, and I'm also having my chai seed water. Yeah. Us eating abuge big bags. The big bags.
What the dog doing?
Applause to Mickey Rodriguez and the entire team. From the High Court to the Supreme Court of Appeal to the Constitutional Court in Johannesburg. We also want to say thank you to Judge Dennis Davis.
OOTD underneath my jersey. I was all pink today. Even my grip socks are pink. Even my headband was pink. But I'm gonna go chill because we have an online class. So I'm just gonna chill after cooking. Yeah. Honestly didn't want to go today, but I'm getting really tired. Contemplating, but I have to. And I might just study at the gym too. because I know if I go to that room,
What the dog doing?
calling from the same angle again, because in a way, I just can't find perfect lighting. But I haven't been saying much. But yeah, usually I have nothing. I'm gonna go have my supervisor meeting, but usually I'm not supposed to be going to campus today, but we have a meeting today. So yeah, I'm just chilling before going. Yeah, I'm just having some breakfast. I'm gonna get ready. I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear. Oh yes, and later on, our church has like a formal event, so I'm gonna finally dress up. I haven't been out a long time. I dress up. Like, I don't dress up formally. Like, I don't have places to be to dress up formally. And when we go hang out, like, it's casual, maybe a little cute, like blush or whatever. Like, yeah. Just wanted to explain my day. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill until... Is my watch even charged? Oh, it is. Just checking. But yeah, I'm gonna love and leave you guys. Guys, I'm back. Yeah, I'm just gonna eat my breakfast now. I just had chai seed water. But I was gonna say... yeah, actually I want to talk about that documentary. Like, it was just so emotional, and it was just so sad that, like, after apartheid there hasn't been any affordable buildings built, and it just made me angry. It was just so emotional. I'm like, how could just... It's just so sad. Like, since apartheid there hasn't been affordable buildings being built yet. Like, you're being chased in the city, basically like how the Group Areas Act was, like pushing black and brown people outside the city. You know, they're like, oh, there should not be any RDP houses in town. Like, what? Like, the people work here, and going 30 minutes, like, one transport number one, like, it's just... I don't know how you guys gonna watch it, because it was just a one-day viewing, and my friend saw it and she told me, let's go watch it, and I'm so glad she told me about it. Yeah, it's also another eye-opener. Yes, like, I've done like history, I've done a lot of humanities courses, like, go through like these challenges and stuff of, like, we speak a lot about special apartheid, you know, in my undergrad courses, and now still. Yeah, it's like this course you will hear a lot in humanities. I don't know about other disciplines, but yeah. And just watching a film, it's a documentary, and it was just like, I don't know, I think it started in 2024. I don't know how you guys are gonna watch it. I don't know if it's online yet, but I just got emotional like 3 times in that film. Like, just like, I just don't know how people just be blinded to not see this. It just makes me so sad. Like, you know, I just wanted to come here and speak about it. I could be all over the place about it, because I'm just trying to, like, remember the key moments. I should have said this as soon as I arrived, but I just had tea and stuff. Yeah, because I already ate before watching the film. But yeah, I'm keep on saying film, but documentary. But yeah, guys, if it ever comes out again, I don't know when, or if it comes out like as physical media, not physical media, like a soft media, I recommend you guys to watch it. It's just an eye-opening, very eye-opening. Get the coconut water. My face for months. myself here too. Nah, I was on a call with my brother and I was just doing multitasking on through my face, guys. I haven't done this for so long and I don't know how I feel about this. Is like I literally redid my eyebrows literally again. Then I did like when I put my mascara, okay, I feel much better. I haven't done this for so long. I don't know if I should find like a cute TikTok transition or whatever. But I'm gonna wear this dress I wore for like the second outfit for grad. Like it was not meant for grad. It's just that it was a nice like second outfit I had. Yeah. I haven't worn makeup for years. Okay, not years, months. The last time I wore makeup was grad, and I didn't do that. I didn't do my makeup then. Did I do before grad? Oh no, Michael. I did my makeup for Michael. That was the last time I did makeup. This is the best way to show you my outfit. And I try to pin this because the girl, this thing was keeping going down. So if you see the safety pins, ish. Ish. But this is the dress. The last time I wore this was the grad vlog. Pose. Yes. Pose. Pose. Girl.
What the dog doing?
About you, baby, it makes me want to give it to you.
What the dog doing?
Hey guys, I need to love and leave you and actually end this vlog. Please don't mind the stain. Like, it irritated me. I was like putting rosemary water on my hair and then this happened. So I put some soap, a little scrubby dubby dub. But yeah, it's Monday and I'm ending that vlog. I hope you really liked it and please comment let's say a pink heart because I'm just seeing pink right there. Yeah. And I'm just trying a new outfit, gym outfit, but it's cold, so obviously I'm not gonna wear it. It's shorts, as you could see. But you know, my Nike Pros, love them so much, but obviously it's winter. It's Cape Town, so I'm not chancing myself walking around with shorts. You know, just wanted to say goodbye.